In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Smartsheet Error Code 63 step by step. If you're seeing this error when trying to edit a cell, update a row, or modify a column, don't worry. This issue is usually caused by permissions, locked fields, automation rules, or simple session glitches. I'll walk you through 6 practical fixes that you can apply right away to get your sheet working again. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Smartsheet troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. The first thing you want to check is whether the row or column is locked. In Smartsheet, owners and admins can lock specific rows or columns to prevent editing. If you try to make changes to a locked area, you may see error code 63. To check this, right-click on the row number or column header and look for the lock icon. If the row or column is locked and you have admin permissions, you can unlock it directly. If you don't have permission to unlock it, you'll need to contact the sheet owner or an admin and ask them to unlock it for you. Next, check your permission level on the sheet. Smartsheet has different permission levels, including viewer, commenter, editor, admin, and owner. If you only have viewer or commenter access, you won't be able to edit cells, which can trigger this error. To verify your access level, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the sheet and review your permission settings. If you don't have editor or higher access, request the appropriate permissions from the sheet owner so you can make the necessary changes. The third thing to review is any workflow or automation rules that might be affecting the sheet. Sometimes automated workflows lock rows, move data, or restrict edits based on certain triggers. Go to the automation menu and review any active workflows. Look for rules that lock rows when conditions are met, such as when a status changes to complete. If a workflow is causing the issue, you may need to temporarily disable it or adjust the conditions so that edits are allowed. Step 4 is to verify the data type of the column you're trying to edit. Smartsheet columns can be set to specific data types, such as text, date, contact list, dropdown, checkbox, or symbols. If you enter data that doesn't match the column type, it can cause errors. For example, entering text into a date-only field may not be accepted. To check this, right-click the column header, select Edit Column Properties, and confirm the data type matches what you're trying to input. Adjust the column settings if needed. The 5th step is simple but often overlooked. Refresh the page and try again. Sometimes error code 63 appears due to a temporary sync issue between your browser and Smartsheet servers. Refreshing the page can re-establish the connection and clear minor glitches. After refreshing, attempt to edit the cell again and see if the issue is resolved. This quick fix solves more problems than most people expect. If refreshing doesn't work, the 6th step is to log out of Smartsheet and log back in. Session authentication issues can sometimes trigger unexpected errors. Completely log out of your account, close your browser, reopen it, and then sign back in. Once you're back inside your sheet, try making the edit again. This resets your session and can resolve background permission or sync conflicts. So to quickly recap, check if the row or column is locked, confirm your permission level, review automation rules, verify the column data type, refresh the page, and finally log out and log back in. One of these steps will almost always fix Smartsheet Error Code 63. If this video helped you solve the issue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Smartsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.